Hello, dear students. Today we'll learn advertisements. Okay, basically, we know advertisement is a type of communication where we try to make the public aware about a certain thing. Correct? We see ads on TV almost every day. Whenever there is a program going on, a movie going on, they show advertisements in between. They show information related to a particular product. But here, what we are going to learn is advertisements which are displayed in newspapers, which are also known as classified advertisements. Now, you have to remember a few main points. There should be a particular heading. Okay, a heading is very important in an advertisement. The word limit in advertisement is 50 words. You shouldn't exceed the word limit, otherwise you can lose marks. Marks will be definitely deducted. And like you know, we have to pay per word basis. Whenever you want something printed in the newspaper, you always have to pay the price which will be charged will be on the basis of the words, number of words used. So unnecessarily don't use any kind of conjunctions or any kind of joining words with the to, avoid all this. Just make it short and simple, but see to it that you don't lose out the meaning there. The meaning should be very clear. Now let us first start with the first type of advertisement. There are different situations, different type of advertisements given there. We'll start with the first one today. Situation vacant. Now, situation vacant is generally used. Suppose there is a job opening in a particular company, any firm, and you are looking for a candidate there. If you want someone to take part in the interview or you want someone to come and offer their services, there we have situation vacant. Okay, if there is a vacancy, remember that. Here we have a question. You are setting up a showroom for garments. You need smart and trained staff to run the showroom. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be printed in the Times of India for a walk-in interview for the various posts. Now see the most basic information. First, the heading. The heading is situation vacant. Now the first one or two words, the first word especially, can be in bold so that it attracts attention. So wanted, smart young men and women. You have to write the category of people whom you want. Okay, as floor supervisors for a reputed showroom for garments. Opening next month. It's a new showroom, no? So nobody knows about it yet. Now the qualification is important. Okay, because it's a job opening, obviously you have to specify which qualification you are looking for. You cannot randomly accept interviews, or you cannot randomly accept people who have done any course, any educational background. So here we have asked for graduates with a pleasing personality and good communication and interpersonal skills should come in for a walk-in interview with their resume. Now if it's a walk-in interview, obviously the venue also should be given. So they have to come with their resume to Hotel Mandarin, Lodhi Road, New Delhi, and the date and timing of the interview. Okay. If it is a particular job and you need only one particular qualification, you can specify there. Graduates in the field of commerce or science. It can be clearly mentioned over there. And in the end, actually you are supposed to write the authority. For further details, contact, and you have to write the name of the authority. You can write here, you can write the manager, the HR manager, the human resource manager, because they are generally in charge of recruitment. Okay, thank you.